How to add music to Instagram Notes. If you're struggling to find out how to do that, this video is right for you. What you have to do at first is go to your Instagram app. Now tap on message icon, which is on your top right corner of your screen. As you tap on it or slide into it, you can see there's an option called Note. Tap on it. As you tap into it, there's a small music icon as you can see. Tap on that icon. Now you can choose any songs that you want. After choosing the song, tap on Share button. After this, your song is now shared on your Instagram Notes. In this way, you can add any kinds of music to your Instagram Notes. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.